What is halving Bitcoin? No, not having Bitcoin. I mean halving Bitcoin. What does it mean? When does it happen? And what happens to the value of Bitcoin when it does happen? Well, stick around here in this video where we will answer these questions and more. In each edition, we will go over some basic ideas about Bitcoin. That way, you can learn more about Bitcoin yourself. Forward these videos to friends and family who have questions. So, what is the Bitcoin halving? New Bitcoins enter circulation as block rewards, produced by miners who use expensive electronic equipment to earn or mine them. Every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years, the total number of Bitcoin that miners can potentially win is halved. In 2009, the system started at 50 coins mined every 10 minutes. Two halvings later, 12.5 bitcoins are currently being dispensed every 10 minutes. This process will end with a total of 21 million coins, probably in the year 2140. So, why the change? Why not keep the reward the same? Isn't that unfair to the miners? The answer to that question lies in law of supply and demand. Why halve Bitcoin? If the coins are created too quickly and there's no end to the number of bitcoins that can be created, eventually there will be so many bitcoins in circulation that they would have very little value. So the main reason why this is done is to keep inflation under control. One of the major faults of traditional fiat currencies controlled by central banks is that the banks can print as much of the currency as they want. And if they print too much, the laws of supply and demand ensures that the value of the currency starts dropping quickly. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is intended to simulate a commodity like gold. There is only a limited amount of gold in the world. And with every gram, the gold remains harder and harder to extract. As a result of the limited supply, gold has maintained its value as an international medium of exchange and store a value for over thousands of years, and the hope is that Bitcoin will do the same. Okay, but I'm sure you're asking, what will happen to the value of my Bitcoin? So does halving affect price? Well, the short answer is nobody knows. In 2016, a week after the halving event, not much happened to the exchange rate of Bitcoin against the US dollar. Where Bitcoin was trading at around 650 US dollars at the time of the event, a week later the rate was about 675 US dollars. So not much change. But that was a different time. Add into the mix the media attention and subsequent public awareness spike in 2017. The exponential growth of ICOs and new coins in the marketplace, government regulations and restrictions, not to mention futures and derivative offerings, opening up doors for institutional investments, and it becomes quite the task to predict what effect the next halving event will have on global exchange rates. The important thing to remember is Bitcoin was designed to be valued. First, in that there will only ever be a specific number of them in existence, 21 million, and that inflation in Bitcoin's economy is kept in check by slowing its distribution through the process of halving. I hope this video gives you a better idea on what Bitcoin halving is and why it plays an important part in giving the Bitcoin its value. Now, you may have some questions. If so, then leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel for new videos. Thanks for joining me.